In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw Lazada e-wallet balance to GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what details to enter, and how to confirm the transfer smoothly. First, open the Lazada app on your mobile device and make sure you're signed into your account. A stable internet connection helps prevent interruptions while you move your funds. From the home screen, head to the account section. This is usually found at the bottom right of the app. Once you're on the account page, look for the Finance area, sometimes labeled Lazada Finance, LazFin, or simply Finance, and then open Wallet. Here, you'll see your available e-wallet balance and your recent activity. Next, choose Withdraw. This is the option you use when you want to move money out of your Lazada wallet. On the withdrawal screen, select GCash as your destination. If this is your first time withdrawing to GCash, the app will ask for your GCash details. Enter the mobile number that's registered with your GCash account and make sure it's correct. If your name or other basic information is requested, keep it consistent with your GCash profile to avoid delays. Before you confirm, enter the amount you want to withdraw and double-check that it doesn't exceed your available balance. Take a moment to review any notes on minimum amounts, possible fees, or estimated processing times that may appear on the screen. When everything looks good, follow the prompts and confirm the withdrawal. You may be asked to verify the transaction with a one-time password sent to your phone or email. This is normal and adds a layer of security. Enter the code promptly and keep it private. After confirmation, wait for the success message. Many transfers complete within minutes, though timing can vary. You can monitor the status in your Lazada wallet transaction history and then check your GCash activity to confirm that the funds have arrived. If a transaction shows as pending, give it a little time rather than submitting multiple withdrawals. If you run into issues like insufficient balance, entering the wrong number, hitting a daily limit, or maintenance windows, simply correct the detail or try again later. Keep both apps updated, ensure your GCash account is active and verified, and always use the official Lazada app to enter information. That's it. Open Lazada, go to Account, access your wallet through the Finance Hub, tap Withdraw, pick GCash, enter your GCash details, and follow the on-screen prompts. Thanks for watching and happy transferring.